My washing machine broke down one day, so I phoned my mum, who recommended me to AO.com. She'd previously been recommended by one of her friends. I purchased my washing machine online. It was so simple. I found the one that I wanted, and as all the dimension details were on the website, it was easy to work out whether it had fit, as I've got an integrated washer. It was delivered within a week, and the delivery men at AO.com were absolutely wonderful and very helpful. I haven't actually had any issues with my washing machine, so I haven't needed any after-service care from AO.com. But I did find the experience with them to be fab.